Good Thursday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having shown enough good Thursday. But I'm here to tell you over here in East Central Mississippi, it's just showing enough hot. It's in the 90s. Got a whole bunch of humidity working over here too. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today, I got some stuff that I got completed, long overdue. So we finna walk down yonder, and I finna show you. You ever have a bunch of things that just pile up on you and you just don't have the time to get things completed? Well, that's what happened to me. So I'm gonna show you a few things that I've been working on. It's just one of those things. Time is never on my side, but let me show you. I gave the Wisteria bush a haircut. Wisteria just grows wild everywhere here in East Central Mississippi. Had a little bird's nest in there, I left that. Maybe the mama bird will come back. But this wisteria will grow up and it'll get in between my gutters up there, and I had stuff hanging over my gutters. Definitely not a good thing. Yesterday I got out here and commenced to cutting on this wisteria. The earth bed is ready to go for the fall planting. I just have some soil that I need to move around. That took me a while because it just got overrun with weeds with all of the rain that we have gotten in the past. The extremely high heat over here in East Central Mississippi. Again, you don't want to get out here for about 15 minutes and then you're going to want to go inside and sit in the AC for about an hour. We are actually going to use the row cover come time. But what I'm not going to do is I'm probably not going to put anything in the earth bed until the end of September. I believe the 22nd of September will be the first day of fall. But with the heat we've been getting out here, I'm just really scared that things aren't going to go well. So I'm going to err on the side of what I've been reading forecast wise. But I will say, when I was pulling weeds and moving soil around, I noticed a lot of earthworms in this earth bed. So that's definitely a good thing. Come on, got more stuff I want to show you. Rain catchment system number 1 is back up and running and functional. This took me a minute. The damage was a little bit more than what I expected it to be once I actually crawled up underneath there, and I started working on this a couple of days ago, but I really got up underneath there yesterday. It was nice and cool out here. Hot, but the humidity wasn't so bad, so I crawled up underneath there. And let me see if I can show you. I don't know how well that's going to come out, but what I actually did, I took 2 pieces of 2x6 and actually sandwiched the 2x6 that broke at a knot in the wood and screwed it up real good using 4-inch outdoor screws. And I'm here to tell you I probably put about 20-25 screws in that thing, so it's not going anywhere. The only thing that I'm waiting on now is to actually for some rainfall, which I hope we get either this evening or tomorrow, because we really need it. This is approximately 1,800 pounds of weight sitting on this structure. So that is going to tell the test whether or not my patch job works. I'm thinking it will. If not, I may have to disassemble the whole system and just put another pressure treated 2x6 run on the back end of it. But I guess we'll see. Who knows? Number 2, rain catchment system has been a lifesaver. That's approximately a little over 900 gallons of water. I'm probably about halfway empty on both tanks because they fill evenly. So I've been actually able to water everything over here while I worked on this one. Another thing I did was I actually moved all the avocado trees to the porch of my shack. Sitting over here looking at everything, still dripping accordingly. So all I did was just elevated a 5-gallon bucket up on the rails and set the avocado plants on a cinder block and a piece of wood. That's working out real good. Another thing that I am working on is this guy right here. My brother Rob, the Sapper Garden, and his family sent this planter to Skylar and I several months ago as a housewarming gift, and I was actually going to fill it up with soil and start planting in it, but I have something else that I'm planning on doing with this. I'm not gonna spoil it and tell you what I'm gonna do, but I am in the workings of getting this guy up and running. There's a lot of videos on this method out there. I've never done it myself, so that's gonna be pretty interesting. Windy. That's pretty much what's been going on over here at the Home in the Sticks. Not really much to share today other than some work that I've been doing over here, and the work is just always there to do. It's just one has to be cautious with the heat. Old Dan's getting older, so you know I can't be out here in this heat like I used to. So again, I hope everybody's having a showing up good Thursday, and I hope everyone's being safe amid this crisis going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give Old Dan a scholar look, because we always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming Dan reference showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing off, get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.